Hi everyone, it's me, Elaina. Welcome, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm your reviewer for inexpensive, affordable makeup. I buy a lot of stuff on Amazon, on Aliexpress, drugstore and such, so you can watch more videos like this on my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing two things I bought on Aliexpress, and those are pretty much exact copies of Jeffree Star lipsticks, liquid lips. I only got two colors because I wasn't sure if my lips gonna fall off if I put it on. So if you're interested to see this review, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down here to know when I upload. I upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 11 AM Pacific time. Don't forget to like and comment below. Let's get right into this. So I have a full face of makeup on, except for my lips, of course. I tried to wipe all the foundation off so we don't have any distractions. So this is what the lipsticks look like. I'm gonna try to insert a better picture somewhere here later. So they have a lot of colors, and I ordered only two because I wasn't sure of the quality. So each one is $1.20, which is like ridiculous. The shipping is very low. I don't remember how much it was, but it was like $1 or so. It takes about, I would say, like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. You know how AliExpress is, so that's not a problem for me. So let's try this out. Well, first of all, it says Jeffree Star instead of Jeffree Star. I mean, it's so obvious. It's D-E-F-F-R-E-E. But when you receive it, it says Dragon Star, which is odd as well. What are they trying to do? Come for Dragon Beauty and Jeffree Star at the same time? I don't know. Anyway, it says Velvet Matte. It says waterproof and non-stick. So I ordered two colors, 05. It has no name. It says Velour liquid lipstick, just like Jeffree Star's. And this one is 11. So I like nudes and light colors. So one is pink, one is nude. Let's go with this first. I think it has a little shimmer. Well, first of all, it smells good. It's so weird. Usually like cheap lipsticks, they smell like chemicals. It actually smells good. Let me zoom in so you can see what I'm applying. But this is the applicator, just a regular applicator. I don't own any Jeffree Star lipstick, so I can't really compare, but I'll be able to tell if it's just terrible. Let's see. I'm not doing any lip liner so you can see the color. And my lips is small. I usually like to overline. So I wasn't trying to layer too much, just to create even look. It looks nice. It's not dry immediately. It takes a few seconds to dry. Let me try to zoom in a little more. It is nice. It doesn't taste like anything. I still can kind of smell this, like a nice scent. I don't know, it kind of smells nice, like perfume, so I don't know, fruity. I'm not sure what it is, but it's not nasty. For $1.20, I don't know, I like this color. It's like a kind of a deadly brownish color, like I woke up dead. But I kind of like this. It's like a 90s retro, so let me zoom in some more. Yeah, now you can see the lips. So now, yeah, it's dry. Let's see. I would say it's transfer proof. Yeah, definitely. All dry, there is nothing on it. Yep, nothing. They feel dry, but not like cracking. I'm impressed. I'm shocked, actually. I really expected a piece of poo-poo, like literally. But I'm very satisfied with this one. I mean, as long as there is no harmful chemicals, which you cannot guarantee, but I mean, I like it. So let me try the other color. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'll put the other one on. Can you see this? Okay, so one was great, and this one is complete shit. Do you see this? I was trying to make it work, but this is like a Barbie doll Pepto-Bismol on crack, literally. Online it looked good. It looked like a pale pink. I mean, it's pale pink, but it kind of, I mean, it dried down just like the other one, but it feels like a different quality, you know, almost. The other one was great and smooth and even, and this one is patchy. You might not see it. I don't know if you can see it, but in real life it looks like really bad. And I want to say the bad brown word. I like pink, but this is way too much. So don't get color 05. So 05 is a crappy one, and this is actually a nice one. It even feels on the lips different than 11. So color 11 is good. Color 05 is crap. But for $1.17-20, you get what you pay for. But I could wear this totally, and I can say I got a Jeffree Star dupe. And Jeffree Star come for them with a lawsuit. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so this concludes my review of Jeffree Star lipstick dupes. If you guys are interested, they have all kind of colors, the blues and violets and all weird colors as well as the normal. So I'll leave the link below in the description box. If you're interested to see more videos like this, I have more content coming. So subscribe, ring the notification bell, and comment below about your favorite lipsticks or what you think about this. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!